Hi guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can check battery health of Xiaomi Redmi devices. I'm giving you the method which is very easy and simple. All you have guys just to follow these steps. Before starting the video, do subscribe us and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates from this channel. And also if you want any other tips and tricks related to any Redmi device, just comment below. Okay, now since we all know that this battery health option is only in iPhone, not in Android phone, but we have a trick that how to check battery health of Redmi devices. So for this, all we need to just open the settings here and then click on about phone. After that, we have option here detail info and specs. Just click there and then click 5 to 6 times on CPU. After clicking, the file is start downloading. Just leave it for a second. As you guys see, it already mentioned here, this might take several minutes. So just leave the phone for some minutes. Okay, after some minutes, the document is created. All we guys do just tap to view. After tapping, we have this type of window. Just press on bug report here and then extract it to file manager at any document you want. I already created a battery document here, so I will extract here. Okay, after that just click again and then press on WPS compression. After clicking, we have option of bug reports fire global. Just click on it and open the document. It may take some time in loading the document, so just leave for some seconds. Okay, now it's already loaded. All we need just to edit it because we want to check battery capacity and we have a lot more matter here. So all we need just to click on this and then press on view. After view, we press on find and replace and then write here battery capacity and then search it. See, we have estimated battery capacity. It's mean 5000 estimated battery capacity. Then now go to calculator and type 5000, then divide it by actual battery capacity of this phone. Basically, the estimated battery capacity is the capacity which is after the performance, and the real battery of this phone is 5000 mAh. So this is estimated battery capacity and divided by real battery capacity. It's mean the real battery capacity of Redmi Note 13 is 5000 mAh. Multiply by 100. So it means my phone battery health is 100%. And for example, if someone has estimated battery capacity is around 4800, so let's suppose any of the mobile phone has the estimated battery capacity of 4800. So just type 4800 and then divide it by the original battery capacity of the phone, means 5000. And then multiply it by 100. So it's mean that phone has 96% battery health. But now my phone has 100% battery health. So through this process, you guys also check your Redmi device battery health. If this method helped you guys, so don't forget to like us. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just follow us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.